Okay, so now we come to part 2 of our waterproofing template under inspection management. So we'll now go through, and I've filled a few of these items to save time on the video. So we have inspect the name, client name, date and time, which is just essentially data entry. Have the time down the bottom there, as you can see. Now what we have here is we have the first photo, and if you'll notice the comment, this photo will be used as the report cover. So we'll use the browse option here and just pick a photo that suits. Okay, now we don't need to analyze the defect here. That's for later defects where we're going to use the defect wizard, which has been incorporated into the platform under inspections to save you a lot of time. So we'll just upload that, and that will make up the front cover of the report. So what we have here, just some generic questioning, plans on site, building class, number of stories, site clean, and these are just tick box. Materials used compliant with AS/NZ standards. So again, we can just come through and tick these, and they make up your report in real time. So what we then want to do is just come through here and tick the boxes. Now what we're going to do here is we have the first defect photo. If we come across defects, now we can put in here bathroom defects and location. This could be level 5, bathroom 2, whatever it may be. So we'll come in here again, go into the photo library. We have a defect picture here where some membrane has clearly failed. Now within here, we then put a decent prompt to explain what is going on. So this membrane appears to have bubbled. Does that mean the waterproofing has failed? So we'll then ask CheckSpec to analyze that defect. Now this will give us observations, findings, actions required in real time. It's now going in and checking the Australian standards, the NCC, best practice, product guides, and giving us an answer that we can then copy and paste and put straight into the system. So there we go. So now what we need to do is hit the copy analysis. We'll close that down, and then within our note field, we'll simply paste that in. Now there is a full answer into the system. So now we need to save that. Once that's saved, we'll note it here. Now we can also go back in once it's saved and apply actions. Now in the actions button, we can put membrane to be rectified, a description of the defect that again we can copy and paste straight from the defect wizard. We can select priorities, we can select status, due dates, and assign to people within our team. So really good feature there, but you do have to hit save before you do that. So then we can ask, is the waterproofing suitable for a certified inspection? We can tick yes. Now, if you notice here, we've gone through and we've put general inspection notes, general warnings that you would have in every inspection. Now, that is something that you guys can amend, possibly back in the office when you're back on your desktop version, and then the signature is there. We hit submit, and that can then go through and generate a report. So we have the option to add multiple defects here. And as always, if you get caught, Pete is right there to help you. So really powerful templates to generate really good reports. And in the next one, we'll complete this template and generate a report to show you just how powerful and how fast CheckSpec can get this done.